Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mbulavinaka, and good morning to you all. It is indeed an honor for me to be here this morning to officially open the Rewa and Tailevu Nursery Distribution Centers. I wish to thank Pengone Maramubal and Rokutin Raketi for partnering with government in extending development to our people. Thank you for agreeing to provide a site for this nursery distribution center for the province of Rewa. On the same note, I wish to also acknowledge the Komai Vunivivi Turanganaratu for the provisions of land at Vunivivi for the Tailevu Nursery Distribution Center. The projects are co-funded by the Fijian government through the Ministry of Forestry and the International Tropical Timber Organization, or ITTO. It aims to control coastal erosion and degradation, including managing mangroves and providing alternative livelihoods to ease the pressure on mangrove harvesting. The project on community-based restoration and sustainable management of vulnerable forests of the Rewa Delta has come in leaps and bounds in seeing these two projects through since its inception in 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to announce that the ITTO project, which would have ended next month, has been extended until the end of 2020. This is good news indeed for both the provinces of Rewa and Tailevu, as this means we have more time to deliver the objectives of the project and assess the success rate. Like all projects, we need to identify areas that can be strengthened and how to address these gaps. The Rewa River Delta in Fiji's Central Division contains the largest mangrove ecosystem complex in the country. However, these mangroves are under threat. Studies have revealed that mangroves in the Rewa Delta are already degraded. There are not enough mangroves to protect the villages from coastal erosion. The establishment of projects such as the Narodake Community Brackish Shrimp Pond Project, which was officially opened in March this year, and now these two nurseries will provide alternative sources of livelihood for communities in Rewa and Tailevu. The nurseries will be utilized to store trees such as fieldwood, sandalwood, fruit trees, and native or indigenous trees. This will be used for planting in the two provinces as well as sold to generate income. It is government's intention that the nurseries will contribute to the 30 million trees in 15 years initiative, whereby the Ministry of Forestry will purchase seedlings to be planted around the country. They will play a major role in the achievement of this tree planting target, which was set by our Prime Minister, Honorable Voreqe Bainimarama, during the United Nations Head of State Climate Change Summit in New York last year. The nurseries will cater for all the seedlings that are bought from the 6 ITTO community nurseries. The ITTO project will buy sandalwood seedlings for $5, fruit trees at $3, and native trees and coastal species $1 each. The Rewa Nursery Distribution Center cater 30,000 seedlings, while the nursery in Tailevu will house 20,000 seedlings. Most of these seedlings will be sold to the Ministry of Forestry for its tree planting initiatives and other tree planting projects that may arise. The construction of the Rewa Nursery Distribution Center comes at a cost of $46,700, while the Tailebu Nursery Distribution Center costs $42,500. Both nurseries cost $89,200. Apart from income generation, trees from the nurseries will not only sustain the communities now and in the future, but will also bring back those traditional fruit and medicinal trees which once were present in the Rewa Delta but are now reduced over time. I reiterate government's sincere gratitude to the Maramabale and Aroko Tindraketi and the Komai Bunibibi Turanganaratu for the provision of land for these projects that will economically empower the people. With the COVID-19 pandemic and tropical cyclone Harold wreaking havoc in Fiji, we as leaders of this great nation should put our political differences aside, unite, and work together for the betterment of this nation and its citizens. Together, we can. With these few words, I now declare the Rewa and Tailebu Nursery Distribution Center open, and I also pray that God Almighty will continue to bless our people and our beloved nation. Pinakabolebu, and thank you.
Hold on. Yeah, it's building up. So this one here, you have a uniform application of not only uniformity of application for feeding all the seeds, and then your pest control. You can put your pesticide in here to have a uniform application. Bau muri, kau ni tebara.